Good day to you all. We want to quickly give explanation to the male reproductive system and its function. So we want to shed more light based on the question on our screen. The first question is, what is male reproductive system all about? Now, whenever I'm talking about male reproductive system, we are talking about different organs that are responsible for reproduction. So that combines together to form a system. So these organs, we are going to be checking on them. And these organs, they include the testes, the epididymis, the vas, the varens, the glands, and lots more. So let's move to question 2. We want to be giving answer to those questions short. So question 2 is, where is the testes located in male reproductive system? The testis is an organ, and it is located in the scrotum. So the scrotum is that sac that is outside the body that is visible. So that is where the testis itself is located. So in male, they are always two. So, and it can sometimes, if you touch it, you might appreciate it, and sometimes when you touch it, you might not even appreciate it. Why? Because it has already ascended, and maybe due to cold, or sometimes it might descend more than normal. Maybe when there is when there is a lot of heat. So that's for question 2. Number 3 is, what is the main function of the testes? So the main function of the testes is production of sperm. So that's the main function of the testes, production of sperm. That is for spermatogenesis. Then, and what other function does it give? So it also gives other function like production of testosterone, which is an hormone. So it's an hormone. This hormone is a male hormone. It's a male hormone responsible for the male secondary characters. So it's either production of sperm, then the production of testosterone, which is the male hormone. So now the question number 4 said that, what are the male secondary sexual character? So when we're talking about male secondary sexual characters, are the character that is produced by the testosterone. So this male secondary sexual character does not this testosterone does not responsible for reproduction. It's not responsible for reproduction, but it shows signs of puberty. So these hormones give rise to different characters in male. For example, deepening of voice. So we have deepening of voice in males, then development of facial hair, then we have the development of hair in the pubic parts of the body, and we have the development of the Adam apple. So all these are the male secondary sexual characters being developed by the testosterone. Question number 5 says that, describe epididymis in physical appearance. So epididymis is the that long cord, that is attached to the testes directly. The cord attached to the testes directly is known as the epididymis. Now question number 6 says that, what is the function of the epididymis? So the epididymis helps to store the sperm being released by the testes itself, and also helps to grow the sperm to maturity. That is the function of the epididymis. So question number 7 said that, what's another name for vas deferens? So vas deferens is also known as the duct deferens, and is the organ that is next to the epididymis. So question number 8 says that, what is the function of the vas deferens? So the vas deferens collect the matured sperm from the epididymis and send it to the urethra. So the one that ends with H for ejaculation. So we have two urethra. We are going to get there soon. So question number 9 said that, what is the difference between urethra and the urethra? So look at it very well. You can see the urethra. So this one ends with ER. So you can see the urethra. So that one ends with HRE. So that's that for that. So we continue with our explanation. The urethra. The urethra is that long cord that that connects the kidney and the bladder together. So the cord that connects the kidney and the bladder together is known as the urethra. So the next one is urethra. There's nothing like urethra is a misspelled word. So there's nothing like urethra. So the next one is urethra. So the next one is urethra, the one that has H in it. So the urethra is an organ. Is an organ in the male reproductive system that helps in ejaculation of sperm into the female vagina. So, and also helps in releasing of urine so dispensing of urine out of the body. So that's question number 10. What is the external sexual organs used for sexual intercourse? The answer to that one is the penis. So is an external sexual organ. So we have question 11 say that where does spermatogenesis process begins from in the testes? So when we are talking about spermatogenesis, is the how sperm is formed. So it begins in the seminiferous tubules in the testes. So the next question is where exactly is the testosterone produced in the testes? So the testosterone is also produced in the testes. You know, the testosterone is responsible for the male physical character. So male secondary physical character. So and it is produced in the Leydig cell. So and question number 13 say that what is the function of the Leydig cell? So the function of the Leydig cell is the main function is the production of testosterone, and also helps in production of sperm too. So it works together with the seminiferous tubule in production of sperm. So that is that for that. So number 14 say that what is the seminal vesicle function? So seminal vesicle is an organ, internal organ that is located next to the vas deferens, which is also known as duct deferens. So this seminal vesicle, so the seminal vesicle is the one that nourishes the sperm, so that add fructose to the sperm. So the next question is number 2. Where is the location of the prostate gland? The prostate gland is that gland that is located to the urethra. So and is the gland that is next to the seminal vesicle, so located to the urethra with the bladder. So question number 3 said that what is the function of the prostate gland? So the prostate gland is the gland that adds the milky fluid. The milky fluid you normally see during ejaculation is added by the prostate gland. So question number 4 said that what is the gland next to the prostate gland? The gland next to the prostate gland is known as a Cowper gland. So what's another question number 5 said that what's another name for the Cowper gland? The another name for the Cowper gland is the bulbourethra gland. So the next question is what is the function? The function of this Cowper gland is the addition of a clear fluid. So this clear fluid is released to the urethra. The one that ends with H is released to the urethra before the sperm itself is being released. So the function is to neutralize the acid of the urine in the urethra before being ejaculated, before the sperm is being ejaculated. So the next question is, I'm coming. Here's my tab. So the next question is semen is a mixture of sperm and fluid from 3 glands. Name them. So when we're talking about semen is the mixture of sperm also and the fluid from the seminal vesicle, which addition of fructose to the plant, fructose to the sperm, then from the Cowper gland, then from the prostate gland too. So which prostate gland which add the milky fluid to the sperm. So questions, the next thing is the questions. So these are the questions related to this topic on your screen. You can solve them. Thank you.